Welcome back to InfyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from rational equations. 30 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 1 whole cube equal to 30 over x. We have to find out real solutions. So let's get started by writing denominators cannot be 0. So we can write x can't be 0, x can't be negative 1, x can't be negative 2. Now I will take this term to the RHS. So we can write our equation as 1 over x plus 1 whole cube equal to 30 over x minus 30 over x plus 2. Now 30 is common. So we will take 30 common out. In curly bracket we can write 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 2. Or we can write 30 and we can consider LCM. So x times x plus 2 will be in the denominator and in numerator x plus 2 minus x. So plus x minus x will be over 30 times 2. We can write numerator as 60 and denominator is x times x plus 2. Let me write here 1 over x plus 1 whole cube equal to 60 over x times x plus 2. Now I will multiply both sides by x times x plus 2. So x times x plus 2. This side also x times x plus 2. As we have x non-zero and negative 2. Now I will cancel x times x plus 2 from RHS. Now our equation we can write as x times x plus 2 over x plus 1 whole cube equal to 60. Now I can write this x as x plus 1 minus 1. So we added 1 and subtracted 1. Now second bracket x plus 2 will be writing x plus 1 plus 1. Denominator is x plus 1 whole cube. RHS is 60. Now if I will consider x plus 1 as a, 1 as b, then we have a minus b times a plus b. We can use difference of two squares formula. We can write x plus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square over x plus 1 whole cube equal to 60. But before that, friends, if you are an Olympiad aspirant or planning to do preparation for SOF, Crest, Unicus, Silver Zone, Asset, Indian Talent Olympiad, Hummingbird from grade 2 to grade 10, then Olympiad Success offers you live interactive sessions, PYQs, tests and many more. Please check out the description box for further details and use referral code GYAN15 to get 15% discount. Let's come back to our problem. I will write our equation once, x plus 1 whole square minus 1 over x plus 1 whole cube equal to 60. Now I will split numerator x plus 1 whole square over x plus 1 whole cube minus 1 over x plus 1 whole cube equal to 60. Now we can cancel x plus 1 whole square with this denominator exponent 3. Numerator will be 1. So I will write 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 whole cube. We can write 1 over x plus 1 and then whole cube equal to 60. Now we will consider our substitution. Let us say 1 over x plus 1 equal to m. Now our equation which we are going to write, m minus m cube equal to 60. Take all the terms to RHS, we will get m cube minus m plus 60 equal to 0. M cube minus m plus 60 equal to 0. Equation is cubic. I will use method of factorization. So I will write m cube as it is, minus m. I will write minus 16m plus 15m. So overall this is minus m plus 60 equal to 0. Now from first two terms m is common. In bracket we'll write m square minus 16. From last two terms we can take 15 common out. So in the bracket we'll get m plus 4 equal to 0. Or we can write m times m square minus 4 square plus 15 times m plus 4 equal to 0. Now here we will apply difference of two squares formula. M times m plus 4, m minus 4 plus 15 times m plus 4 equal to 0. Now m plus 4 will be overall common. So in other bracket we will write m times m minus 4 plus 15 or m plus 4 times m square minus 4m plus 15 equal to 0. So from here we can write either m plus 4 will be 0 or quadratic equation m square minus 4m plus 15 equal to 0. Let's solve both the equations one by one. Let's write quadratic first. M square minus 4m plus 15 equal to 0. Then we will consider m equal to negative 4. See, directly we can write from the second equation m plus 4 equal to 0 or m equal to negative 4. So here I will calculate the discriminant only. B square minus 4ac. So minus 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 15. So I can write minus 4 square is 16 minus 4 times 15 will be 60. Discriminant is coming out negative 44. Discriminant is negative. We will get complex solutions. So we will reject it as we are looking for real solutions. Now m plus 4 equal to 0. So we can write m equal to negative 4. Now m was our substitution. M was substitution 1 over x plus 1 equal to negative 4. Now consider reciprocal both sides. Switch numerator denominator. So x plus 1 over 1. RHS we will see minus 4 over 1. So I can write minus 1 over 4. Or we can write x plus 1 equal to negative 1 over 4. Subtract 1 from both sides. We will get x equal to negative 1 over 4, negative 1. So we will get our answer x equal to negative 5 over 4. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.